Welcome back to my channel, the place where we get honest about life's challenges and talk about how to come out stronger on the other side. If you're new here, think of this as your daily boost of perspective, real stories, and practical tools for living on your own terms. Today, we're going deep into something that every single one of us needs, especially when the world feels like it's falling apart: resilience. Viktor Frankl survived Nazi concentration camps. Malala survived being shot for going to school. You survived 2020, the energy crisis, and watching your heating bill triple. What do you all have in common? You have something that no government, boss, or unexpected bill can take from you, though most people don't even realize they have it, let alone know how to build it. It's called resilience. And it's not what you think it is. The myth-busting moment. We're taught that resilience means being unshakable, the stiff upper lip, keep calm, and carry on. Don't let them see you sweat. But the science says otherwise. Resilience isn't about never breaking. It's about how quickly you can recover when you do. In my world of compliance and risk, we call this business continuity. It's all about how well and how quickly you can adapt, respond, and recover when things go wrong. Think of bamboo in a storm. If it stood rigid, it would snap. Instead, it bends until it nearly touches the ground, then springs back when the wind passes. That flexibility is its strength. And just like bamboo, we can learn to bend without breaking. The science of bouncing back resilient people aren't born with something special. They simply think differently. They do this by use of the 3 Ps. Personalization. When things go wrong, they don't instantly blame themselves. Lose your job? They think, the economy's tough right now, not, I'm useless. Pervasiveness. They don't let one bad event poison everything else. Break up with someone? They think, that relationship didn't work, not, I'll be alone forever. Permanence. They know setbacks aren't forever. This is tough right now instead of, life is always going to be like this. And here's the encouraging bit. It is proven we can train our brains to think this way. Resilience is a skill. You can learn it at any age, in any situation. Relatable, personal story. If in 2 years you lost the job you think you will have for years, your relationship end, and even losing someone in the family, it would feel like being knocked down again and again before you could catch your breath. At first you would kept asking, why me? Please don't forget to subscribe. But the real change comes when you shift the question to, what is this preparing me for? It is not quick, it is not clean. Some days getting out of bed would be the win. But every time you focused on what you could control, instead of drowning in the things you couldn't, you get a little stronger. Not harder, not colder, stronger. There's a difference. The Resilience Toolkit. Riser. Reframe. When things go wrong, imagine your best mate came to you with the same problem. What advice would you give them? That's the advice you give yourself. Inventory. Write 2 lists. 1, what I can control, and 2, what I can't. Then put most of your effort into the first one. Worrying about the second list is just giving energy to outcomes you don't want. Support. We are social beings. We chat to strangers in queues. We bond over moaning about the weather. We are wired for connection. Research shows people with strong relationships are 7 times more likely to bounce back from hard times. Evolve. Ask yourself, how is this shaping me? Rather than, how is this ruining me? Same challenge, different mindset. One moves you forward, the other keeps you stuck. The challenge protocol. Control inventory. Write down 3 things you can control today. That's where your focus goes. Growth question. Ask, what did today's challenges teach me? Look for the lesson or the strength gained. Connection. Reach out to someone each day. Not to vent, but to genuinely connect. Even a quick call or a coffee can make all the difference. Takeaway, life will test you, not once, but over and over. That's not a warning, it's reality. But every test can be training. Every setback can be shaping you for something bigger. You've survived 100% of your worst days so far. That's not luck. That's proof that you're stronger than you think. When life bends you, don't see it as breaking. See it as the preparation for the spring back. That's where the strength comes in. That's where the light gets in. If you found this useful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who could use this reminder today. You never know whose life you might change with a little resilience. If you have enjoyed the video, please like this video, subscribe for more, tap the bell to stay updated.